Good morning, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Canon SX Apron. This morning I'm going to go ahead and throw some stuff in my crock pot. Want to see what it is? Come on. Asian inspired orange ginger chicken that's going to be served over cauliflower rice. That's what I'm going to pitch in this slow cooker this morning. Sounds delicious. Let's hope it is. I'm using Costco chicken breast. There's 2 in here, but there's probably 4 servings or so. I'm also using the G-Hue sugar-free orange ginger marinade. I'm actually going to put that in the crock pot. And then I have coconut oil. I also have an orange pepper, a red pepper, and a bit of purple onion that I'm going to dice up and put in there. First things first, got my crock pot turned on high. Let's put some of this coconut oil down in here. It depends on your crock pot size. I'm putting a good 1.5 tablespoons in mine. The next thing is I'm going to open our chicken. And I'm taking it straight from frozen to put in there. Unless I buy it fresh from the grocer, then this is how I do it. I don't put it out to thaw the night before. Get it over the sink and open it though. I did rinse my chicken clean. Just gonna lay that right on top of the oil. That's fine. Wash my hands right quick. Dry them with my towel over here. Now, knock that off. My scissors over there out of the way. And let's dice these veggies. I think most of you may know how to dice veggies, but if you don't, it's a quick and simple thing. Remember, I always have my peppers, unless I buy them fresh, and I'm going to use them that day. I buy these little sweet peppers by the bag, and they go straight in the freezer. That way there's no waste involved. All you have to do is run a little hot water over it. You have to wash them before you use them anyway, because it's just a safety thing. That's how I do it at my house. And I do suggest it. Okay. No seeds allowed. Yeah. Let's get this. It's very early here. It's like 5:30 in the morning. Tom's almost ready for work. Fixing to head out soon, so when he does, I'll have to break for a minute so I can tell him bye-bye. Okay. Yeah. And we're just going to sprinkle this in here on the chicken. Okay. Now, probably see that better now, can't you? Scoop up the rest of that. And I'm going to get rid of these seeds. I'll be right back. Now, that's better. Just going to slice that. And instead of dicing it, I'm just going to do it like this. Cut it in half and then just do those slices. That way, if someone doesn't like the actual texture of a pepper, it's big enough that they can scoop it out. Ooh, look. There was some seeds hiding in there. Let's get rid of those. Yeah, slice this one the same way. But in cutting them like this instead of dicing them, you still have that flavor from the peppers. Yeah, the next thing we'll do is clear out our work surface just a little bit. And now, I have to strain. You don't have to do this unless you're a person with diverticulitis issues. You don't have to strain your sauce. You know, I am and I do, so it's just the safest way for me. Now, and I'm going to put 4 tablespoons on that. Yeah. See, I don't know what these are. Some seeds that I'm not supposed to have, I should imagine. So, over to the trash go these. I actually put 4 tablespoons in there. And the next thing I'm going to do is add in a little bit of salt. Don't go overboard with it. You know, we need our salt. It's the pink Himalayan, but we do need our salt. And I believe throw in just a little bit of chive. And sprinkle in some cilantro. But I do want to add a little bit of ginger. Not that to overspice it, but because I want to make sure that we do taste it. So, putting half a teaspoon in there. Now, put the lid on it. Okay, friends, that's all we need to do. I'm going to let that cook on high for probably 6 to 8 hours because I can take the chicken out one of 2 ways when I do that. I can either pull it out whole or I can shred it. I think shred might be the option today. I'm not sure. We'll see when that happens. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Click the red subscribe button and you'll get a notification bell. Click that bell and click all so that you'll get notifications of all of my new content. And give me a thumbs up, hit that like button. It's very helpful for YouTube creators. And I thank you so much for joining me again. See you soon. It's time to go ahead and get this chicken out of the slow cooker. Smells great. Now all I'm going to do is just, yeah, it's a little bit hot. All I'm going to do is shred up my chicken. Now I've seen a lot of people taking their mixers, their hand mixers, and shredding their chicken that way. I guess that's alright, but I'd rather wash 2 forks. Or put 2 forks in the dishwasher, whatever the case may be. Rather than get my mixer out to do it. And it's hot, obviously, it just came out of there, so. And I did cook it for 8 hours. 6 of that was on high, then I turned it down to low. And again, you can serve it whole or shred it. And shredding, since I'm going to serve ours over cauliflower rice, I like the idea of shredding. There's been a few people comment about those rings not being there, but you see the place on my hand. Several weeks ago, I was cleaning the house and I forgot to put my gloves on, my cleaning gloves. And some Clorox got down in between my rings and my fingers, and before I rinsed my hands, it lit me up, I'm telling you. So I have had to let that heal, and it's took 3 weeks so far. So you can imagine how bad that was hurting. And my hands swelled up. I thought I was gonna have to go get my rings cut off, but thankfully I didn't have to do that. It's weird every time I look down there. For days I walked around doing like this. You know how we do, ladies. We twist them rings. Guys, y'all might do it too. I don't know. If you do, I ain't never heard nobody say, but oops, you can see I'm not doing small little bitty shreds. I'm doing like chunky. It's what I'm doing. So let's get y'all on down there so you can see better. Sorry about that. It's okay, we got another one to do. So I'll tell you, these Costco chicken breasts, them things are huge. This is like 2 servings. So I'll have me some leftovers for lunch tomorrow, and Tom will too. That's a lot of chicken right there, y'all. A lot of chicken. Right, damn. Now I'm going to pour the juice into the bowl. Maybe not all of it, but a lot of it. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pour all of it in there. There we go. Now, yeah, got that sink of water now. Alright, here we go. Of course, this being the first time I've made it, I'll taste it. See if I need to put anything else in it. Might need to put some soy sauce in it. I don't know. We'll see in a minute. Well, amino acids, a lot of you use. Okay, let's give it a taste. Mmm. That's good. That is really good. Okay, y'all. Again, it's going to be served on, I'm going to serve it over cauliflower rice. You know, the Green Giant cauliflower medley. That's what I'm going to use. But, there we go. That is supper, my friends. Mmm. Okay, you guys take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Give this recipe a try. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I'm also going to share it on my Facebook page. That's Nana's Hidden Apron. When you do the search at Handcrafted By, that's where you'll find me. Now, this is the cauliflower rice I told you that I use. It's hot, I'm sorry. But just, ouch, right out of the bag. Right out of the bag and burned my fingers. It says there's 3 servings, but okay. I'm gonna say there's 2.5 servings myself. All right. Wow. Smells good. Looks great. Let's give it another little stir. All right, y'all. Down the hatch. Even better with that. So good. Okay. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.